How to hide jump cuts in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can hide jump cuts in CapCut. So, let's get right into the video. To hide the jump cuts in CapCut, it is a quite easy and simple process. Firstly, open your CapCut application. Once you are on this page, now click on New Project and select any one of the videos as your choice. Now, here you can see the video. In order to hide the jump cut, I will just create a jump cut. Select your video and just go to any portion where you want to cut the video and tap on Split. Again, go to the further portion and click on Split. Now, again click on that split video and tap on Delete option. Now, here you can see it seems like I have a jump cut in the video. Now, in order to hide the jump cut, you can use different animations in the video. For example, you can select that video and tap on Animations option at the toolbar. Once you click on Animation, here you can see different options in order to use in the video. You can select any one of the options from the list. For example, I will select the first option, Fade In. You can also customize the time length for the fading effect in the video. Just swipe that slider to the left or right as your preference of the time length. Once you are OK, click on the tick mark option at the bottom of this screen. Now, finally, if you play the video, you can see that the jump cut is hidden in the video. So, that's all. In this simple way, you can hide jump cuts in CapCut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.